factor tree of 243. So 243, it can be written as 3 times 81. 3 times 81 means 243. 81, it can be written as 3 times 27. 3 times 27 means 81. 27, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 9 means 27. 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select the prime numbers among all these numbers. So prime numbers are these 3. So we can write 243 is equal to the product of all these prime factors, that is these two,